Hi people and hi Andrew, it's Ellie here. Just so you know, Andrew, this video took me a while to film too. Not because I forgot to film it, just because I couldn't be bothered. For example, last night I probably spent about 6 hours watching old Saucony Jolie vlogs from about 2 years ago. I mean, what does that say about me? So here I am, Saturday morning, filming this video to put up later tonight. So, I mean, I'm the same way, really. So, I live on campus at my university, and one of the worst things about living in the dorms is just the fire alarms. They are so loud, and they leave ringing in your ears, and they just come at the worst possible times. I've been on campus a month so far, and we've had 3 fire alarms already. The first time wasn't that big of a deal. I think it was around the first week of being here, and I don't really remember much of it. I think I was already just came back from class and it went off, so I just went and it wasn't that big of a deal. The second time it went off was last Wednesday, and I was walking back from my night class and I was all excited because Dan and Phil just let out a new gaming video while I was in class, so we hadn't had a chance to watch it yet. I was all excited to get back to my room and watch it, but walking up to my dorm building, I saw flashing lights and the faint sound of a fire alarm. So that was inconvenient. I ended up standing outside for about 5 to 10 minutes waiting for the fire alarm to go off, and then we could go back in, and then I proceeded to watch that video over and over and over again. And the third time it went off was last Thursday, not even 24 hours after the last time it went off. It happened in the morning, and that wouldn't be bad except I was still in bed. I wasn't asleep, but I didn't want to get up. And the fire alarm went off, so I had to get up and put on clothes that looked like I was already up, like I was ready for the day. And I walked outside, and I was sitting outside for about 15-20 minutes, just there with my arms crossed like, I hate this, it's cold, and I just want to go back into my bed. I guess this video was just kind of a rant. Yeah. Oh, and Andrew, don't let Mom forget the things I asked her to bring on Monday when you come to visit. I asked for about 4 things. Don't let her forget them, and if she doesn't remember them, text me and I'll tell them to you, because I was originally going to tell you, but she asked me on Skype, so I told her, just don't let her forget them, because I really want them. Anyway, that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to give it a like if you like, and subscribe, and that's it. So I'll see you next time. Bye!